Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast where you can learn English for beginners, relax, and laugh with us at the same time.
If you want to learn English fast and have fun, you are in the right place. Today's topic is dangerous.
Very dangerous. We are talking about New Year's resolutions we never keep.
You know, those big promises we make on January 1st and forget on January 3rd.
Or on January 2nd, if you are like me.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who also wants to improve their English.
Yes, share it with that friend who says, "This year I will change my life every year."
All right, let's pop off. Mia, do you make New Year's resolutions?
Every single year. And every single year, I fail. It's a tradition now. My New Year's resolution is to fail my New Year's resolutions.
That is honest. What is your #1 resolution you never keep?
The classic one. This year, I will go to the gym every day.
Every day?
Every day. I say it with confidence. I buy new gym clothes. I buy a new water bottle. I buy expensive running shoes. On January 1st, I look like a fitness influencer.
And what happens?
On January 1st, I go to the gym. I work out for 20 minutes. I take 200 selfies. Then I go home and eat pizza. On January 2nd, my muscles hurt. I tell myself, "Mia, your body needs to rest." On January 3rd, I tell myself, "Mia, your body needs more rest." And then no more gym.
So your resolution is not go to the gym every day. It is go to the gym one time and then talk about it for 3 months.
Exactly. What about you? What resolution do you never keep?
For me, it's this year, I will wake up early every morning.
Oh yes, the new me, who becomes a morning person.
I imagine myself waking up at 5 a.m., doing yoga, reading a book, drinking green tea, writing in a journal.
You at 5 a.m. writing in a journal?
Yes, in my head, I am a very mysterious, deep person in the morning.
And in real life?
In real life, at 5 a.m., my alarm rings. I open one eye, look at my phone, and say, "No, absolutely not." Then I press snooze 5 times.
So what time do you really wake up?
Let's just say, not at 5 a.m. More like when I am already late.
The classic. I think many people have this resolution. Wake up early, be productive, change their life. But the bed is too comfortable.
The bed is the enemy of self-improvement.
Okay, let's talk about another popular resolution. This year, I will eat healthy.
Yes, goodbye chocolate, goodbye chips, goodbye burgers.
On December 31st, we say goodbye. On January 1st, we say, "Hello, my old friend," and eat them again.
The first week of January, I'm so good. I eat salads, fruit, vegetables, drink water.
And then someone says, "Let's order pizza." And it's over.
Exactly. I always think, it's okay, it's just one pizza, but then it's just one pizza 5 times a week.
I tell myself it's a cheat day. But every day is a cheat day.
I think the problem is that our resolutions are too big. I will never eat sugar again. That sounds like torture.
Yes, we go from "I eat 3 desserts a day" to "I will only eat air and ice cubes."
Maybe we should make smaller, more realistic resolutions.
Like this year, I will eat 1 carrot.
1 carrot?
Yes. Then, if I eat 2 carrots, I am already a champion.
That is a very smart strategy. Low expectations, big success.
Another big resolution, this year I will save money.
Oh yes, we become financial experts on January 1st.
We say no more online shopping. I will save my money. I will be responsible.
And then we see a sale, 50% off.
And suddenly we are like, I'm not spending money, I'm saving money because it's on sale.
The logic is amazing.
I make a budget at the beginning of the year. I write everything. Rent, food, transport. It looks very serious.
And then?
Then I forget to write coffee in the budget, and snacks, and cute things I don't need but I want.
So the budget is just decoration.
It's like a vision board, but with numbers.
For me, saving money always dies in January. It dies in a restaurant.
Oh, that's true. You go to a restaurant and think, I will just get something small.
And then the menu arrives. And suddenly, you want everything.
And someone says, let's share a dessert.
And you say, okay, just one dessert. But you also order a drink, a starter, a main dish.
And then at the end, you look at the bill and you think, goodbye, savings.
Okay, let's talk about language resolutions. Many people say, this year I will learn English.
Yes, I will study every day. I will watch English videos. I will speak like a native.
On January 1st, they open their English book. They study for 2 hours.
On January 2nd, they are tired. On January 3rd, they say, I will study tomorrow. And then it becomes a New Year's resolution for the next year.
If you are listening to this podcast and your resolution was to learn English, you are doing better than most people. You are actually doing it.
Yes, you are here, listening, understanding, and improving. So respect.
I think the problem with language resolutions is that people make big goals like, I will be fluent in 3 months.
That's like saying, I will become a professional athlete in 3 months. You need time.
And practice, but you don't have to study 8 hours a day. You can do small things every day.
Like listening to Pop-Off English.
Nice promotion.
I'm serious. You can listen while you walk, cook, or clean your room. That's a real resolution you can keep.
True. Another popular resolution is, this year I will read more books.
Oh, yes. In December, we buy 5 books. We say, I will read all of these.
And then they sit on the shelf, very quietly.
My problem is, I read the first chapter, I like it, then I go on my phone and never come back to the book.
On social media, you read 10,000 short posts. But one book? Too much.
My brain is like, we want short, fast, easy, shiny.
Maybe the real resolution is, this year I will finish at least one book.
That's already great. One whole book in English, for example, is a big achievement.
Yes, a short, easy book. You don't have to start with a 500-page novel.
Okay, another classic. This year, I will travel more.
Oh, I love this one. In January, people imagine themselves on the beach, in the mountains, in Paris, in Tokyo.
In reality, they travel between the bed, the fridge, and the sofa.
That's still 3 destinations.
Yeah, a world tour.
The problem is, travel needs time, money, and planning.
And some people don't even plan. They just say, I will travel more, and then they wait for cheap tickets to appear by magic.
Also, some people say travel more, but they never travel in their own city. They don't go to a museum, a park, or a new cafe.
That's true. You can travel in small ways. Visit a new part of your city. Try a new restaurant with food from another country.
Or meet people from different cultures and practice English with them.
That's actually a great resolution. This year, I will talk to more people in English.
Many learners are shy. They study grammar, vocabulary, but they are afraid to speak.
Yes, they think, my English is not good enough. I will speak when I am perfect.
If you wait to be perfect, you will never start.
It's better to make mistakes and learn than to say nothing. Like our New Year's resolutions. They fail, but at least we tried.
Speaking of trying, another big resolution is, this year I will be more organized.
Yes. People buy planners, notebooks, pens, sticky notes, highlighters.
They make beautiful to-do lists.
6 a.m. wake up. 6:05 drink water. 6:10 meditate. 6:30 workout. 7 o'clock read a book.
It looks like the schedule of a superhero.
And what really happens?
6 a.m. sleep. 8:30 wake up and panic. 8:35 check phone. 8:50 say I will start tomorrow.
I always think buying a planner will change my life. But after 1 week, I forget it exists.
Same. My planner has 3 days of writing and then nothing. It's like my motivation died on page 4.
Maybe the problem is, we try to become a completely different person on January 1st.
Yes, we think the new year is magic, but we are still the same person with the same habits.
That's why I prefer small changes now, not big changes someday.
For example, instead of I will be organized, you can say, every day I will write just 3 important things I want to do.
That's easier. And if you do 1 or 2, it's already progress.
Another funny resolution. This year, I will spend less time on my phone.
Oh, this one hurts.
People say, I will delete my apps. I will read. I will go outside more.
They delete Instagram. Then 2 hours later, they install it again.
Or they say, I will only use my phone 1 hour a day, and then 3 hours pass on TikTok.
I tell myself, I will just watch 1 video. 3 hours later, I'm watching a video of a cat learning to swim in another language at 2 a.m.
The internet is dangerous.
So what can we do? Throw our phones in the ocean?
Maybe not. But we can make small rules like no phone during breakfast or no phone in bed.
Or, I will use my phone but in English. That way, you still scroll, but you learn too.
That's actually smart. Change the language of your phone to English, watch videos in English, follow English creators.
Yes, your bad habit becomes language practice.
Let's talk about one more big resolution. This year, I will be a better person.
Oh, the emotional one.
People say, I will be kinder, more patient, more positive.
And then someone takes their seat on the bus, and all the kindness disappears.
I think this resolution is beautiful. But again, it's too big and too vague.
It's better to choose something simple like, this year, I will say thank you more, or I will text my friends and family more.
Or, I will give myself a little break when I make mistakes. Be kind to yourself too.
Yes. With resolutions, we are usually too hard on ourselves. On January 5th, if we fail once, we say, I'm a failure, I give up.
But you don't have to wait for next year to start again. You can restart any day, any week, any month.
Exactly. Monday can be your new year or tomorrow, or even this afternoon.
Okay, Mia, let's share some realistic resolutions for our listeners. Resolutions they can actually keep, and that can help them with their English too.
Good idea. Number 1, I will listen to something in English 3 times a week.
That something can be this podcast, a song, a video, anything.
Number 2, I will learn 5 new English words every week.
You don't need 50 words a day. 5 a week is already 260 words in a year. That's a lot.
Number 3, I will speak or write in English for 5 minutes a day.
Talk to yourself, record a voice note, write a short message, or write a quick journal entry in English.
Number 4, I will not be afraid of mistakes.
That's a powerful one. If you make mistakes, it means you are using the language.
And number 5, I will have fun while I learn.
Yes. If learning English is boring and painful, you will not continue. But if it's fun, like listening to us, you will come back.
Okay, let's connect this to our New Year's theme. Maybe the problem is not resolutions. Maybe the problem is the way we think about them.
We think, on January 1st, my life will change completely.
But life usually changes slowly, with many small actions, not one big decision.
So instead of New Year's resolutions we never keep, we can think about small habits we can actually keep.
And we don't need to wait for the new year. We can start now.
If you are listening to this, choose just one small habit for your English.
Maybe it's, I will finish this episode and one more. Congratulations, you already started.
Or, I will subscribe to Pop Off English so I don't miss new episodes.
Speaking of that, if you are enjoying this episode, remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who also wants to improve their English and laugh a little.
And if you want, tell us in the comments, what is one New Year's resolution you never keep?
And one small, realistic goal you have for your English this year.
We really want to know. Your ideas can also help other learners.
You can also write your resolution in English. It's good practice, and we can read it.
Before we finish, let's quickly review some useful vocabulary and phrases from today's episode.
We talked about New Year's resolutions. A resolution is a promise you make to yourself, usually to change something in your life.
For example, go to the gym, eat healthy, save money, wake up early, be more organized, learn English.
We also used expressions like to keep a resolution, which means to continue doing it, and to break a resolution, which means to stop.
We said, I will change my life. I will wake up early every morning. I will eat healthy. I will save money. I will learn English. I will read more books. I will travel more.
And we talked about more realistic goals, like learn 5 new English words a week, listen to English 3 times a week, speak for 5 minutes a day.
You can replay this episode and listen again to these phrases. It will help your listening and speaking.
And remember, it's okay if you don't keep all your resolutions. Nobody does. The important thing is to keep going, little by little.
Yes. Your English doesn't need a new year. It just needs you to come back again and again.
And we will be here waiting for you with more episodes.
So, don't forget, subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who also wants to learn English for beginners and have fun.
And write in the comments, what's your New Year's resolution in English? And do you think you will keep it this time?
Thanks for listening to Pop Off English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.